Hi Vogue Living, I'm Nadia Fairfax-Wayne and this is my terrace in Paddington, Sydney. I worked with interior designer Tamsin Johnson and I really wanted my house to be filled with colour and vibrancy and fun. We wanted to Nadia-fy it. It was really important that the house had places to be social in. My husband and I love to entertain. One of my favourite things would be the lounge island, which is more like a 14-person dining room table. And we often have friends sitting around there, and that's sort of the main area that we hang in. Tamsin and I really focused on using clashing colours and textures. We looked for interesting furniture pieces. We even had a few pieces custom made. One of my favourites is a bright pink lucette sideboard. It's pretty out there. The house originally belonged to an incredible Australian artist called Michael Johnson. And when we first bought it, it was filled with art. It was so vibrant. But behind the art, it was all quite white. So once all the art left, I really felt like I had to throw the colour back. Because it was sad we didn't have all his wonderful art, but I think we've made it the house art in itself. Yeah, the house is a little bit wild. Each room is certainly very different to the next. I love pieces that really draw your eye and that you won't see in anyone else's house. My favourite room in the house would definitely be the bedroom. I just feel like it's so relaxed in there and the tones just make me feel so at home. It's like a little hotel.